Manila, Philippines. The MRT-7 project is now 54% complete, San Miguel Corporation, SMC, announced Friday, further disclosing its full, complete operations can be achieved by December 2022. Good day and welcome here to Tatay vlog. If you are new here to my channel, please like this video and click the notification bell icon so you will be notified on my next upload. Thank you and God bless. Manila, Philippines. The MRT-7 project is now 54% complete, San Miguel Corporation, SMC, announced Friday, further disclosing its full, complete operations can be achieved by December 2022. SMC President Ramon S said a significant chunk of the 63 billion pesos project's civil works, including installation of board piles, girders, and foundational works on stations, have already been completed. He also said the first test run of the rail line was scheduled for June 2022. Given our progress today, and all the major milestones we are expecting this year and the next, I think we're confident we can achieve full, complete operations by December next year, with our first test run scheduled for June next year, Ang said in a statement. According to Ang, some 6.2 kilometers of the target 13.5 kilometers for the elevated section of the project have been completed. For the at-grade sections, 4.8 kilometers of the target 6.9 kilometers are already finished, and 1.5 kilometers of the 1.9 kilometer tunnel portion is now done, he added. The businessman, however, pointed to ongoing challenges related to the project as he cited the complex nature of building a railway system to the right-of-way. Compared to our recently completed Skyway 3 project, which is one of the most difficult we've had to undertake because of changes to its alignment and the engineering solutions we've had to employ to mitigate right-of-way ROW problems. The MRT-7 project is actually more complex, Ang said. Apart from complex construction work, MRT-7 construction involves a lot of mechanical and electrical work. There are so many systems to be integrated to ensure we can efficiently and safely run a large number of passenger trains to serve the public. There is still a lot of work to be done. And on top of that, similar to Skyway 3, there are still many right-of-way issues pending for the MRT-7 project. But we will continue working. We just keep on building and doing what we can in areas where we can work so that we can finish this faster, he also said. Once the MRT-7 project is completed, daily commutes of thousands from Quezon City to Bulacan are seen to become faster and easier, because it will link North Avenue in Quezon City to San Jose del Monte in Bulacan. The elevated railway project is among the conglomerate's biggest infrastructure projects after the P735 billion new Manila International Airport, which will also rise in Bulacan. MRT-7 is likewise anticipated to provide greater access and seamless travel, since it will have an easy connection to other major rail lines such as the Metro Rail Transit Line 3 and Light Rail Transit Line 1 through the Common Railway Station project of the Department of Transportation, DOTRA, in Quezon City. Now that we have crossed the halfway mark, we're expecting to reach a lot of major milestones for this project this year. This includes the construction of the stations, testing of various equipment in different countries, and the actual arrival of this equipment including the first batch of trains, Ang said. Photo from SMC Media Affairs. Testing of trains. He said the factory acceptance test, FAT, of an initial 6 trains or 18 cars is scheduled for April in South Korea. SMC purchased the trains from South Korea Hyundai Rotem, with the country's national rail manufacturer, Korea Railroad Corporation, Korail, serving as its advisor. The SMC president said if the trains pass the tests, which will be witnessed by Korail officials together with SMC and DOTRA representatives, the first batch of trains will arrive within the year. Ang said a total of 36 trains or 108 cars are being procured by SMC for the project. Meanwhile, manufacturing of other important equipment, sourced from various countries, including ticket vending machines and automatic gates, have also been completed with FATs scheduled within the first quarter of this year. Manufacturing and testing of communications systems have also been completed, said Ang. Initial batches of third rail equipment responsible for delivering electrical power to the trains and track works, such as rails and fastening assemblies, have also been completed. The food, drinks, and infrastructure giant started construction of the MRT-7 in 2016 and initially targeted to finish the project in 2019. This was later pushed back to 2020 and then 2022, Ang previously announced. The MRT-7 project will cost an estimated $62.7 billion, $1.54 billion, with additional plans are laid for capacity expansion in order to accommodate the possible increase in passenger ridership in the future. The Investment Coordination Committee, ICC, of the National Economic and Development Authority, NEDA, first approved a version of the MRT Line 7 project in March 2004. This initial approval was provisional and contingent on the project's impact on the government's deficit reduction program. It had been submitted as an unsolicited proposal under the Build-Operate-Transfer scheme by the Universal LRT Corporation, a consortium consisting of Alstom, EEI Corporation, TICO Electronics, and others. NEDA subsequently authorized the $1.2 billion project's construction the following August, citing the proponents' willingness to comply with the IC's requirements, with construction slated to begin in 2005 and a targeted opening date in 2007. In October 2004, Universal LRT Corporation signed an agreement with the Manila Banking Corporation to purchase 193 hectares, 480 acres, of property in Bulacan for $1 billion, stating it would develop this property to complement the rail line. Universal LRT Corporation, now SMC-Mass Rail Transit 7 Incorporated, a subsidiary of San Miguel Corporation, SMC, was selected by the Department of Transportation and Communications to build the line in 2008. SMC tapped the consortium of Hyundai Rotem and EEI Corporation as the engineering, procurement and construction contractor. Construction of the line should have commenced in January 2010, but was postponed several times. 8. The Department of Finance issued the terms of financial guarantee for the line in 2014, and financial closure for the project was achieved in February 2016. 9. Hyundai Rotem won the $440.2 million contract with SMC-Mass Rail Transit 7 Incorporated to supply 108 train cars, signaling, communication and power supply systems. As of February 28, 2021, the project is 54.02% complete. The project is expected to be finished by December 2022. Once again, if you are new here to my channel, don't forget to like this video, click the notification bell icon so that you will be updated on my next video. Thank you so much for your support, for your watching and listening. This is Tatay Vlog. Take care always and God bless.